Now, how do we create a new tax? We go to Configuration, Taxes, and we open the taxes. The same as for accounts, I prefer, instead of creating a tax or an account from scratch, I prefer to duplicate an existing one. Now let's create a new sales tax for services of 10%, and we will copy the existing sales tax of 15%. So I open the tax and I duplicate it. Now what do the various options mean? If I take tax included in price, the price shown in the product or invoice will be inclusive of this tax. It's especially useful when you're dealing with end customers, like in point of sale or e-commerce applications. You also have the parameter included in base amount, which means that when this option is ticked, the tax will be added to the base amount of the next selected tax. And this is a very useful feature when you have taxes like eco taxes, BEBAT taxes, whatever extra taxes that should be charged. If you have tax on children checked, it means that the tax calculation will be applied to the output from other tax calculations, which are specified here in the children or sub-taxes. This option allows you to have taxes on taxes. The account, the account tax code is the tax code field that will be used on your tax declaration. So each country has specific tax codes. So that's why we always suggest you to use localized accounting packages in Odoo. The account base code is the amount or the base amount that will be added to this specific tax code. So in this case, we will create a 10% tax for services, and this is where we add the percentage. So we save, and our tax for 10% services is created.